Hi, in this video I will show you how to knit the toe. Before I start with the toe, I will redistribute the 38 stitches so that I have 19 stitches on my first and fourth needle and 19 stitches on my second and third needle. We will decrease right at the end and at the beginning of the 19 stitches, so you can also just set 2 markers. Check if the ribbing pattern across the top of the foot is symmetrical to make sure that you have distributed your stitches correctly. Next, knit until you have reached the last 2 stitches of the first needle. Knit 2 stitches together. At the beginning of the next needle, slip a stitch knitwise, knit a stitch and pass the last stitch over. Knit until you have reached the last 2 stitches of the next needle before you knit another 2 stitches together. Slip a stitch, knit a stitch and pass the last stitch over. Knit the rest of the needle. After this round, knit 1 round of knit stitches. Repeat the last 2 rounds 2 more times. After that, decrease 5 times in every round. In the last round, I knit the 3 remaining stitches for the top of the foot onto one needle and the 3 stitches for the bottom of the foot onto another needle. That way I can close the toe with the Kitchener stitch. And this is the finished toe. I hope this video series was helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.